The Frontera Electric Extended Range uses an 83 kilowatt, 113 horsepower electric motor paired with the new 54 kilowatt-hour battery. Compared with the 44 kilowatt-hour version, energy consumption is reduced, helping unlock the longer range figure. For buyers whose usage is mainly urban, Opel continues to offer the smaller battery version with up to 305 kilometers WLTP range, providing a lower entry point into electric ownership. Charging behavior remains aligned with everyday needs. At a 100 kilowatt direct current fast charging station, the battery can be replenished from 20 to 80% in around 30 minutes. That makes longer trips feasible without demanding extended stops.